Alpha Bravo, Charlie Alpha Papa Tower. You fly base right over the bridge now, and your number 226 right following a Cessna about to cross the threshold.
Charlie Alpha Papa with the traffic.
Hotel number Juliet Townsend, for the stop and go.
Hotel November, Juliet Tower number 226 right following Cessna on left base over the Golden Ears Bridge.
Hotel number Juliet looking for traffic, number 2.
United 1609, contact departure.
United 1609, good day.
8 left, Delta 1192.
Delta 1192, I have no traffic close and trail behind you. You can speed your discretion or reduce the final post speed.
Yes, 5303, contact departure, good day.
Go to departure, Scout 5303 today.
Spectral 20, contact ramp on the bridge.
Sierra Fox and the ramp on the bridge, take care, United 1031.
Sky 3752, turn right, Foxtrot Alpha, maintenance frequency.
Yeah, 47, maintain visual separation with Southwest, wind 2108, runway 1 left at Bravo, cleared for takeoff.
1 left at Bravo, clear for takeoff, Jan 47.
South 1013, last base start, runway 1 right, line up wait port the 73 on the parallel in sight.
Line up wait, 1 right, we've got the 73 on the parallel side, Southwest 1013.
Sierra 3561, speed up on Bravo, please. The United off your left is exiting behind you.
Speeding up, Scout 65.
Appreciate it. American Maintenance 1 Heavy, right turn Charlie, short of Alpha Alpha.
Right on Charlie, we'll get Alpha Alpha.
Acro 2701, you make the right turn here then instead of able. Right turn here on the Bravo, remain this frequency, eastbound.
Right turn on Bravo, remain this frequency for United 2010-01.
Gamma Jet 865 Los Angeles Tower at Quebec, cross runway 25 right and then turn left on Hotel.
Crossing 25 right on Quebec and then on Hotel, Gamma Jet 865.
Echo 2701, right on Bravo, remain this frequency.
Right on Bravo, United 2701.
For 0 Romeo Juliet, turn left, heading 150.
Left to 150, 150 Romeo Juliet.
Medevac 7 November Alpha, contact tower 118.9er.
1189.
Medevac India 532, Denver approach, roger. Denver altimeter 2975 on the ILS runway 35 right approach.
Departure Falcon 150, Romeo Juliet, 7,500 climbing 8,000, left turn 290.
Falcon 150, Romeo Juliet, Denver departure, radar contact. For 0 Romeo Juliet, climb maintain, Papa 230.
Climb maintain 230, 150 Romeo Juliet.
For 15 Tango to set a maintain 8,000.
Descend to maintain 8,000.
Southwest 1782, Denver departure, radar contact.
1075 PG 1810. Okay, you're stepping on people, PG 1810 Heavy, contact City Tower, good day.
Contact City Tower, PG 1810 Heavy, good day.
Sierra City 556, can you speed up just a little on Bravo, please? Thank you.
Guys, 5057, turn left, heading 340, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway 9, 340.
Guys, 4646, Houston Tower, winds 10011, runway 9er, line of wait. Skywest 3963, contact departure.
Departure, Skywest 49 or 3963.
Takeoff.
RNAV JLO clear for takeoff on 15 right, Airfield 6304.
118.57, are you going to 16?
American 2938, clear to land 1 left.
2938, runway 1 left, clear to land.
Thank you, clear to land 1 left, American 2938.
American 1018, wind 190 at 6, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
Go check up 1 right, American 2918.
American 830, last base start, runway 1 right, line up away.
Line up away, 1 right, American 830.
City Tower, Foxtrot Juliet, Kilo on the downwind for 26, left touch and go.
Foxtrot Juliet, Kilo Tower number 226 off, follow Cessna over the approach lights.
Foxtrot Juliet, Kilo.
Tower Cessna 132, Golf, Papa Golf, Golf.
Oh, Papa Golf, Golf, good sir.
Approaching Albion, currently 1700 feet, requesting a touch and go with a cell phone departure back to Boundary Bay.
Papa Golf, Golf, squawking in, ready 26 left, altimeter 29905, third straight in, report over Hammond Mill.
Golf, Golf.
Kilo Yankee Uniform Tower, taxi via Bravo, wait for 1, just monitor ground, no need to call. Have a good night.
You too, thanks so much, Kilo Yankee Uniform.
Hotel November Juliet Tower, right down departure, cleared, stop and go, ready 26 right.
Yeah, stop and go down there, Roger, hold on.
Foxtrot Juliet, Kilo Tower, cleared, touch and go, ready 26 left.
Foxtrot Juliet, Kilo.